Good morning, everyone. My name is Elisa Kim. Thank you for joining us on our Let's Talk Benefits webinar series. This is the sixth webinar that we've been offering, and today we'll be focusing on our Silver and Fit benefit that's embedded in your plan. Before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that if you have any questions, that you are welcome to go ahead and type it in the chat or the Q&A. No one else will see your questions except for our hosts and panelists. So, and I would encourage you to go ahead right now, just toggle your mouse and find that chat window, type a hello so we know that you can hear us and that everything's working well and we don't have any technical issues. So we will be, feel free to jump in. We will take questions at the end. If we see your question before that, we will try to get to it. But again, thank you for joining us all here today. Today, we are going to be joined by Alicia Lowe. She's our Community Health and Wellness Manager here at Western Health Advantage. And she's going to be talking to you about the Silver and Fit benefits, as well as the WHA, the WAFIT benefits as well. So Alicia, I will turn it over to you and let you start your presentation.
All right, great. Can you hear me okay?
Yep, I can hear you.
Okay, wonderful. I notice my video won't come on, but that is okay today. So I will just go ahead and share my screen. Welcome, everybody. My name is Alicia Lowe. I am, as Alyssa said, the Community Health and Wellness Manager for Western Health Advantage. And I'm really excited to share with you today our Silver and Fit offering that is available to all of our MyCare members at no cost, at no charge. So very excited to share all the bells and whistles that this program has to offer to you. Definitely want to encourage you to take advantage of every aspect of it because it can really be a great resource for you on your health and fitness journey. So Silver and Fit, what is it? So this is just an overview to start. We're going to go into more detail as we get into the slides. It's a three-pronged strategy for healthy aging and exercise. So we're going to talk about the fitness center membership choices. We're going to talk about the digital fitness choices with your home fitness tools, and we're going to talk about the healthy aging choices. And as you can see in each of those three boxes, there are different resources that you as a WHA MyCare member will be able to access at no charge. So let's talk first about the fitness center access. This is probably the biggest portion of this program because Silver and Fit allows its members to utilize any health club in its network at no charge. So across the nation, you're talking about 15,000 health clubs that they now have in their network. It's always growing, so the number's always changing. They have 4 different types of health clubs in their network. They of course have their co-ed fitness centers. So those are going to be like your 24-hour fitnesses, your fitness 19s, your YMCAs, obviously co-ed where both, where all genders are welcome. You also have your exercise centers. So these are going to be more of the boutique fitness centers, such as a yoga studio, even some senior centers may have specific Silver and Fit classes that you can come and take there for free. They also have a few gender specific for women who would like to go to a health club, on their own. So Curves, many have heard of, that's a pretty popular gender specific club. And then they also have within all of these health clubs, not all of them, but within many of them, they have instructors who will go around and teach just for Silver and Fit Fit members. So in some of these clubs, you'll see specific classes that are just for Silver and Fit members. So that's a great benefit. The website for Silver and Fit is very robust. It's very user friendly. So they really are diving into the technology, really utilizing everything that technology has to offer for us on all different platforms, because it brings the fitness resources to your fingertips very quickly. So whether you're choosing to do a recorded fitness class, exercise class, or just a healthy aging class, you can do that either on their website. You can do it on their app that you can download to your phone or to your iPad. And it's all very, very user friendly, and it's a very responsive design that they've used. So you're not trying to figure out, well, how do I get here and how do I get there? It's really spelled out for you. So talking about the mobile app and the digital workout videos, so there are thousands, literally thousands of different on-demand videos that you can pull up through the resource library once you've downloaded the app. They'll have featured workouts that they'll have, from time to time. They'll promote which ones are coming up. They also have your search tool right there on their app, where you can find the different health clubs in your area by your zip code. Now, I know many of us may still be in a position, or not necessarily wanting to go into a health club, and that is just fine. They totally understand that right now. I'm sure if many of you had a health club membership, you probably ended up freezing your membership during the last couple of years. Maybe you've started to go back, but you've noticed there have been some changes to how many people are in, mask wearing, etc. So they take all of these things into consideration, of course, and it is your choice if you want to be a part of a fitness center or not. You definitely don't have to. But if you do want to try to find a fitness center, this is a really great tool to find one close to you, or if you're traveling, find one that is at your destination. So if you want to keep going with your fitness goals, even if you're on vacation and pop into a health club to take a class, you're welcome to do that. This is also where you're going to find, which we're going to talk about in a moment, the connected program. So that's a program that helps you track all of your health and fitness things that you do through this program. It's also going to help you to earn rewards, which we'll talk about a little bit later, and where you will access your healthy aging resource library and your one-on-one health coaching, which is new this year, which is another free benefit, live telephonic coaching with a health coach. So again, when you're on your phone or your laptop and you want to find a health club near you, you'll just type in your location, city, state, zip, or just zip code, and you'll get a list of the health clubs that are in the network in that area. If you find one that you are interested in, you can click on it and get further detail with both its website and its address, its hours of operation. And also you can see here under the name, this is a LA Fitness. This is further south from us. But if you click on the photos, each health club basically has all the photos of every single room of that health club. So Silver and Fit really knew that people, when they were thinking about wanting to join a health club, maybe during COVID, they didn't want to have to go in and do a tour because they weren't quite ready to join yet, but they wanted to make sure that people could see every room and everything that health club had to offer. So there are plenty of photos, over 100,000 photos with all the different health clubs that are in the network, that will show you each and every room and amenity that they have. So our at-home fitness option. So this is both if you want to join a health club or work out at home, have that option as well. So we have, where did it go? Go back. There we go. So we have a lot of different options here. So Silver and Fit offers, well, they say 34 home fitness kits. Those are turning into more digital. They used to be DVD, but they're moving to just a more digital streaming, downloading platform. So basically anything that you can think of, from Tai Chi to chair exercises to yoga to cardio. They're going to have a digital version of a home fitness kit for you. They're also going to have the StayFit Kits, which we're going to talk about in more detail in a moment. And this is where you're going to get your free fitness equipment, which is so exciting. They also have daily Facebook and YouTube classes. Now, these are actually open to everyone. They're open to the public, not just Silver and Fit members. These are live classes. There's a schedule that's posted every week. They have classes Monday through Saturday. So even if you're not a Silver and Fit member, even if you're not a Western Health Advantage member, anybody can access these workouts. And as a matter of fact, even though I'm not part of the Silver and Fit program, I went ahead and I liked their page because I wanted to watch some of the exercise videos that came through. And I'm really impressed. I've actually done a few of their yoga videos. They were just very, very well done. The instructors are really, really good. So definitely want to encourage use of that resource. Again, we're going to talk about the fitness trackers. There are going to be 2 to choose from this year, and how to get connected with the Connected program, where you can start to track all of your fitness endeavors. Again, touching on the digital workout videos and the Ash Connect app. This is where you're going to find 1,500 plus digital workout videos, digital on the app, and 2,500 on the app and about 1,500 on the website. So you are going to find more videos, recorded on demand videos on your phone or your iPad than you would on the website, but there's still plenty to choose from on the website. So this is just showing you an example of the classes that stream on Facebook Live and YouTube. So you can see they have classes all day long, 9 classes a day, 6 days a week. So you can definitely pick your type of class, the time of class. Maybe you decide that there's a specific instructor that you're really starting to like, so you want to see when they're teaching. Another really fun part of this live streaming on Facebook and YouTube is the 2 o'clock class in the afternoon. If you notice over here under category time 2 o'clock, it says international. So these classes are being streamed from somewhere else in the world. So, you know, whether it's Brazil or England or Japan or wherever it's coming from, they're going to kind of take you to that place. So we're in a sense traveling in our minds and maybe getting a little bit of a flair of whatever that culture has to offer in terms of what they do for their fitness. So definitely would encourage you to check that out as well. So let's talk about the StayFit Kits down here in this box in the bottom left corner. So you're going to get to choose 1 per year of a StayFit Kit. You have a choice between a Garmin wearable tracker or a Fitbit wearable tracker. Okay. You also have a choice between either a yoga kit or a strength kit. With that kit, you will either get a mat and a towel if you choose the yoga kit. And with the strength kit, you will choose between a beginner, intermediate, or advanced level. And that will just determine what size of weights you get. I believe, if I'm remembering correctly, it's 3, 5, and 8 pound weights. And then the resistance on the bands changes as well, depending on beginner, intermediate, or advanced. So you get one of these kits per year, which is great because from year to year, you can choose something new each time and hopefully build your library and build your fitness equipment, build your fitness studio at home. I'm not going to talk too much about these home fitness kits on the right here, because like I said, they're not sending out the DVDs anymore, but they have moved all of this over to digital. So all of these classes that I'm talking about on the app and on the website, you will find these different classes in that app or on the site. So this is a really great program that they have have added a lot to in the last year, the Healthy Aging Education Program. So it's not just about exercise and fitness, because we know that wellness encompasses so much more than that. It's more of a holistic approach to healthy living. So they want to make sure that our members have information on things like brain and mental health, fall prevention, how to talk with your doctor. So Silver and Fit has tons of resources and information online and through their one-on-one coaching that can help you to really learn and understand how these things can help you to live better and healthier. So the rewards program, we were talking about, I had mentioned the connected program. So if you're tracking all of your activities that you do within the Silver and Fit program, you will earn rewards or points toward rewards. The rewards are fulfilled by American Specialty Health. So they are our vendor for Silver and Fit, and they take care of all of that for you. Once you reach the different point levels, which we're not going to go into right here, but once you reach the different point levels, they will just automatically send you what you have earned. And you can earn, hats and pins and different things. They're adding new things all the time. And I believe you get to choose one type per year, like one type of hat, and then you can earn many different pins depending on how many rewards you get to, or how many points you get to. So the support services. So you may be wondering, how do I get started with Silver and Fit as a Western Health Advantage member? Well, you just do that through Silver and Fit, which the toll-free number is right here on your screen. We also have a flyer that Alyssa is going to put in the chat that you can go ahead and download, that has a snippet of all of the information that I've just talked about, or that I'm talking about today. It also has the phone number and the website on it, so you'll have that for reference. So you can definitely call member services or even go on their website, silverandfit.com. So you may, if you are new to Western Health Advantage, either last year or this year, you may have already received your welcome letter. So you can go to silverandfit.com, you can register there. They will give you all the information to help you decide and navigate where you want to go next. If you want to join a fitness center, if you want to get more set up with the digital fitness, whether it's the recorded videos or it's the live ones. And of course, they're there to answer any questions that you have. Now, if you have an existing gym membership prior to becoming part of the Silver and, or becoming part of the network of Silver and Fit, and that gym that you belong to is in the Silver and Fit network, what you want to do is notify them, call them and notify them, or go in and tell them that you want to freeze your membership because you're now going to be a member through Silver and Fit. What we don't want you to do is to cancel your membership, because if down the road, for whatever reason, you are no longer a Silver and Fit member or a WHA member, and you go to another health plan that maybe doesn't have the Silver and Fit, if you were to go back and you cancel your membership, they may make you rejoin at a different rate. So this way, just freezing it, you'll still be locked into the rate that you have. So if you do go back to a traditional health club membership, you won't have to pay any updated prices, so to speak. And again, just a little bit more information about the home fitness kits and the stay kits. I'm just going to go right down to the StayFit Kits. That's the second bullet down. So choose one of the following StayFit Kits: the Garmin or the Fitbit wearable fitness tracker, yoga kit, or a strength kit, either beginner, intermediate, and advanced. When you do this online, and they'll walk you through that, you will agree to a medical attestation statement, kind of like a liability waiver, before they will actually send you your kit. So be sure to read through that. And with that, do you have any questions on the Silver and Fit program? And Alyssa, you'll have to let me know the questions because I'm there. Now I can see the chat. There we go.
Yeah, so I welcome everyone to answer, ask any questions you have right now. Thank you, Alicia, for that very detailed presentation. I know that I learned a few things about the Silver and Fit benefit that I didn't know about previously, so thanks for that. And I did,
Oh,
oh, it doesn't look like the flyer went through.
hmm. Number flyer. Oops. I'm going to try to open it right here on my screen and see. It's opening on my screen from the chat. Is it opening on your screen, Alyssa?
Yeah, when I click on the file in the chat, I'm able to open it.
I would say to maybe download it to your computer first and then open it. Kathy?
Is anyone else on the line having trouble downloading that flyer? Oh,
Doesn't
I
look like it.
see we
Can
do.
you see it on my screen right now? I just want to make sure. Oh, Patricia was able to print it, so that's great. Awesome. Patricia, do you
Oh,
have any other
great.
questions? Okay, we got it. Downloaded, fine, wonderful.
Okay, and to Betty, who's on the line, the flyer is in the chat. So if you go down to the chat, there's a PDF there that you can click and download. And I know that we will be emailing a follow-up to all our attendees. So I'm not sure if this is potentially something we can include in the email, just thanking you all for attending, but I'll look into that for you.
Yes, and
And
Alyssa, I think that would be fine to
yeah,
send that to them, of course.
and I know that we do have some people that are just phoning in. So of course you're not able to access the chat function. I did want to let you know that all of our sessions are being recorded. So if there's something that you missed, you can definitely go back. We are going to be eventually uploading all the webinars that we've been recording, talking about all our benefits and how you can maximize the benefits that are included with your coverage. So, we will have that posted online, so you will be able to come back to it at a later date. I
And I'll
do
go ahead
see
and
one
answer.
question. Yeah,
Yeah, I'll
great.
go ahead and Patricia. So what do providers need to do to get on the list of Silver and Fit centers? So basically they would just need to call Silver and Fit and ask how the program works. There's just some paperwork that they would need to do, agree to the terms. But it's a really easy process. You would just need to ask your health club, your provider, to do that. They would have to make that outreach call to see if they could become part of the network. Hopefully that answers your question. And not all health clubs will become part of that network. It really kind of just depends on location and pricing. Some of those higher amenity clubs, some of the really big clubs, I'm blanking on some of the names, but that have all the amenities. They have everything that you could ever think of. A lot of times you're not going to see those as part of a health club network, whether it's Silver and Fit or any health club network, just because their price point is a little high. But definitely Silver and Fit has a great network of a lot of really great clubs with great amenities and everything you need to be healthy and fit. So hopefully you'll be able to find exactly what you're looking for.
And Alicia, I don't know if you can speak to this, but I know that, in speaking with other members who've called in asking about the Silver and Fit program, there are, I think, a tier of fitness clubs that you might pay a little bit extra. So, all the clubs that are included in the Silver and Fit, like the 24-hour fitness and the LA Fitness, usually those come at no charge. But I believe there are some clubs where you can pay a little bit more to join. Do you know anything about those?
So I know a little about it. They are starting to add premium clubs to their network where a member could pay a little bit more, but we haven't really received all of the information as that pertains to the Medicare, to our Medicare members. We do have that information as it pertains to our Active and Fit program for non-Medicare. So as we get that information, we can definitely push that out. And you could also call, a participant could call Silver and Fit and ask them, where they are in that process of adding the premium clubs.
Great. Thanks for addressing that. And we do have one more question here. So we find a health club in our area on the website.
Correct. If you just go to the website, www.silverandfit.com, there is a search tool, I think right on the main page. You just type in your zip code and it will bring up all of the health clubs within a certain radius there in your area. I believe there are some filters as well, so you can kind of filter it by what exactly you might be looking for. And then you can click even further on each club to find out information about each club individually.
That's great. Thanks for answering that. And I will just also draw your attention to the screen. If you do have any other questions, if there's something that comes up that you forgot to ask, of course, you're more than welcome to call us here at our Medicare sales team, and we can answer any questions that you may have. Our phone number is 888-992-7494. And again, I would encourage you, we do have a few more webinars coming up. We've got 3 more in our series. The next one is on Tuesday, February 8th at 10 a.m. And we'll be going over our landmark healthcare and our eyewear benefits. So if that's something that interests you, I encourage you to register. The address where you can register is on our website. It's at medicare.westernhealth.com/attend a webinar. So like I said, these sessions are being recorded. At a later date, we'll have all of these webinars available to you so that way you can listen to them at a time that's convenient to you. Thank you all for joining us. If I don't see any more questions, so I will say wish you all a good rest of your day, and thank you for being valued Western Health Advantage Medicare members with us. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.